wizard.
Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're going to have a great day. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. So on Bitcoin, we came down, and we knew if we lost this previous month VWAP, we had a potential to come down to this 786, and we knew we had to hold this 786 as support. We lost it. She came up and was able to flip it back to support. And since we flipped this 786 back to support, we've come back up and rejected off our previous month VWAP. Now, on Market Cipher B, looks like there's still plenty of room to run on this momentum. Money flow is way thick, and curving to the upside. Looks like there's going to be a little curve back to the upside on this money flow. 15-minute, looking the same. Money flow is coming up, plenty of room to run on this momentum. Looks like we could revisit this previous day VWAP, maybe even our daily VWAP, to confirm as support before continuing higher. If we want to go higher, we have to flip this previous month VWAP at around 104k to support. Right now she is acting as resistance. We need to flip her to support, and if we do so, we have a potential of coming back up to our previous weekly around 106. But if we're not going to hold it, and I mean, that looks good. Money flow does look great. 20-minute money flow is coming up. Plenty of room to run on momentum. 1 hour VWAP's coming down. Looks like money flow wants to come in, but we can see a curve to the downside. And if we're not going to hold our 786, we're not going to hold this as support, then we have a golden pocket. But I would feel like the finishing move, if we're going to lose this and we're going to continue down, the ultimate move would be from our monthly and previous month right here back down to our April VWAP, a monthly leapfrog. What is that? The 1 hour real deep momentum waves to the downside here on the 1 hour, which means we have the potential to come lower and put in some bull divs. Or we could just get anchors and triggers off of this price action here. 3 hour green dot, 4 hour green dot as well. Still got an hour left in the candle. We can see the curve starting to form to the downside here on the 4 hour. We saw it to the downside on the daily last video. I did a video yesterday. Yesterday, and I went to upload it. No audio. But we could see that curve from the last video I did upload to the downside, and we did reject off the zero line just like we thought we would, because price just didn't look that great for it to actually break up. And so we did reject off that zero line. We have put in some more red candles, and we're trying to hold on to support. If we're not going to hold this 786, it just makes sense to come back down to the golden pocket here at 95, between 95 97k. And if we're not going to hold that, I mean, I could see us coming down, bouncing up, rejection, coming down, bouncing up. But the ultimate move would be, for me, the April VWAP, from this month to this month's VWAP. We're also starting to get ready to print a red dot here on this weekly. Okay, and money flow is steadily coming out. I've been on and on about this money flow on for the weekly for like months now. It just doesn't look that great. Looks like we're gonna have a decent red candle on the close in 2 days. So these are the levels I'm watching. To the upside, we know we have to break 104k. Have to break 104k for the potential to continue higher. To the downside, we have our previous day at 103.2 and our daily VWAP at 102.8 as support. And if we're not going to hold those as support, those levels there, I would look for the 786 that's caught us several times already. This is a 102, 102k is very key area of support at the moment. But if we're going to lose 102k, I would expect to come down to at least the golden pocket. But the monthly leapfrog from our previous month, really our monthly right now, back down to our April VWAP would make sense if we're gonna start crashing. But these are the levels I'm watching. Looks like we have great potential to continue higher. Looking at the 10 and 15 on the macro, looks like we have more moves to the downside before we break all-time highs again. But I hope y'all have a great day. God bless you all. That'll do it for me. I'm out.